Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These will be essential for the maintenance process. Start by unplugging your Dyson HS05 hairdryer from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, remove the filter cover located at the back of the device. This is typically secured with a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the filter cover off. Now you will see the filter itself. It's crucial to clean this component regularly to maintain airflow and prevent overheating. Use your soft brush to gently remove any dust or debris that has accumulated. If the filter appears particularly dirty, you can rinse it under lukewarm water. Ensure it is completely dry before reattaching it. While you have the filter cover off, take a moment to inspect the internal components of the hairdryer. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it may be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need without any hassle. Once the filter is clean and the internal components are inspected, it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Place the filter cover back on and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Ensure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling during use. Next, let's focus on the exterior of the device. Use your microfiber cloth to wipe down the surface of the hairdryer. This not only keeps it looking new, but also prevents any buildup of product residue that can affect performance. If you find that the hairdryer is still not functioning as expected after cleaning, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our services are designed to be convenient, with no calls and no travel required on your part. Finally, it's a good idea to perform this maintenance every few months, depending on usage. Regular upkeep will ensure your Dyson HS05 hairdryer remains in top condition, providing you with the best results every time you style your hair. In summary, maintaining your Dyson HS05 hairdryer involves a few simple steps: cleaning the filter, inspecting internal components, and keeping the exterior clean. If at any point you feel this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy to get professional help when you need it. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.